like so many, I made the mistake of checking my phone before I started my day. First post I saw was this one. Feel free to pause to read. But I'm with Elon. I don't get it either. While I'm not surprised, human behavior often perplexes me. It has since childhood. I've been a bit of an overthinker, and I know that we're complex. And as complex as we are, we're simple creatures at the same time. We're divided by darkness and light, carnal and spiritual. Animals, capable of reason, despite our struggle with ego and our own ability and inability simultaneously to choose between right and wrong, emotions, or logic. Why do some people choose to allow their emotions to run the show? Why does misery love company? Why pull others up when you could rise above it? You could rise above it all and vibrate at a higher frequency. Why be ugly when you could be a beacon for others to follow, sparing them from crashing on the rocky seas we call life? Free will is a fickle thing. If only we, society as a whole, could fundamentally weave accountability and self-mastery into the fabric of the human experience, I honestly feel we could one day experience harmony and a futuristic Star Trek state of existence, striving unilaterally to advance our species beyond measure.